punching in on a long night. I'm a little tired, I'm not gonna lie, but clock's ticking. Hello, beautiful. Alright, let's get busy. I'm gonna work on this side sub box first. Okay, moment of truth. Another day in the neighborhood. Got this fiberglass. Got that side fiberglass. About to pull it out right now. Just cut out my speaker rings. Staple it in here. And then I'll be ready to stretch my fabric. Did I mention it's hot? Woo! Huge important thing with this, with building is, you know, getting measurements down to the T. I've already ran into a crap load of problems. Well, not really, but with just little measurements that kind of throw off the whole thing. So to make sure everything is center, make sure everything has the same center line. That way, everything looks like it's supposed to be. So right now I am making my cutouts for the amps. Alright, so right here, lay it out, measurement's perfect. That way I can cut this out in my plexiglass, right of the edges, and everything come out awesome. Okay, so got the framework pretty much almost done. Thing for this, because I have a cutout. It's almost similar to this drawing where it's the triangles going down. And I'm gonna have just the air compressor exposed. Whew. I am extremely exhausted. It's 4:45 in the morning. I got work in about a couple hours. Yep, this is the life. Woo! Alright. I gotta get these pieces cut.